Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate vibration massage technique to the quadriceps muscle group. This is a really nice introductory technique which can be used within therapeutic massage, sports maintenance massage, or massage for more specific injury treatment. It's a nice technique because this can be done either through the towel or it can also be done skin to skin. So we're doing this technique without massage medium. So from that perspective as well, it's also really useful for pre-event massage treatment and for inter-event massage treatment as well, where you don't want to be applying the medium to the client before a sporting competition or event. Okay, so this technique is aiming to induce relaxation within the muscle tissue, and it also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, so it helps to calm the client too. For the purposes of this video today, I'm going to lean over and treat the limb closer to the camera, but in clinic I would be treating the side closest to me. So I'm making sure that I'm keeping my posture nice and upright. I'm in a better position for the treatment in clinic. Okay, so you want to decide on whether you're going to open up your fingers to create a broader clamp onto the tissue, or whether you're closing those fingers and there's a slightly smaller compression area. So therapists with smaller hands, larger body limb that you're treating, you might want to open up those fingers. Okay, so the key thing with this technique is making sure that you're maintaining contact with the tissue. Okay, so as I place the hand down onto the limb, I'm pressing into the limb slightly. So when I move the hand forwards and backwards, I'm not stroking the tissue, or I'm not stroking the towel, as in this case. Okay, so what we want to do is make sure that we're creating a vibration that then penetrates down into the muscle tissue, and then it creates like a rocking or a vibration effect in the underlying tissue. That then helps to reduce tension in the tissue. It helps to increase some warmth within the underlying muscle tissue, and it stimulates the nerves as well. Okay, so this is the technique that we will be doing through the towel. So I've got a clamp down through my hand, movement is coming through my shoulder, through my elbow, and also through my wrist, but my hand isn't moving on the tissue. That vibration is being transmitted through the hand into the underlying muscle. Okay, let's do this skin to skin now then, so that you can see what's happening to the tissue underneath. Okay, so I'm just exposing the client's leg here. So in treatment, we'd want to make sure that we're covering as much of the muscle tissue as possible. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm pressing down into the tissue, and then I'm doing that rocking movement forwards and backwards with my hand. We could either do about 3 or 4 movements with the tissue, then move on, 3 or 4 movements with the tissue, 3 or 4 movements with the tissue, like so, so that we're covering all of that muscular area. And then we're encouraging that vibration, which you should be able to see here on the camera, through all of the muscle tissue. Okay, we can see that the limb is nice and relaxed here. If my client had more of an area of tension in one part of the leg, like my client does today, she's a little bit tighter on that lateral aspect of the quadriceps in the vastus lateralis. So in that instance, I can hold the hand down for longer so that more of that vibration is going through that part of the muscle tissue for a longer period of time, helping to relax that area more effectively. And then from there, we could move on to our next area. Okay, so that vibration technique can be carried out shorter and more specific, with about 3 to 4 movements of the hand before you then move on to that next area, like so. Okay, or we can stay in one area for a longer period of time. Okay, so that's our vibration massage technique to the quadriceps area. We could then carry on with our wider treatment, maybe moving on to effleurage and applying the massage medium, or we could go on to our manual compressions or our connective tissue manipulation technique after this one.